So today's salad is component like this, garlic and so on, tomato, beetroot, will be a very good salad. So the garlic, the ginger and the turmeric is ready. Cut it now in small pieces. Oh, that's it. All together in one big pot. We let it stay for 10 minutes and then we eat it. So now we have it in our bowl and full wheat bread. So if somebody wants, you can have it. Now we say bon appetit and don't forget to like or subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. So and at the end we get an avocado and of course a good coffee. So again, bon appetit. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.